Charms! Welcome back, it's Lorena. Today I'm here to share with you guys a Get Ready With Me featuring September's Boxycharm items. And I did mention this in my unboxing that I would probably do it, and I was like, you know what, I really like that idea. So I'm going to share with you guys the first time I use it. I didn't have time to do a chatty Get Ready With Me. I really wanted to, but I had to get to work, so that didn't work out. I just kind of filmed myself getting ready. But if you want to see how I pulled this look together, then just keep watching. And before you do, I'm going to remind you, if you're not part of the Gems fam, what are you doing? Click the subscription bell, the notifications, the like, all that good stuff. Join the fam. It's lots of fun. I'm gonna let you go, watch me get ready, and enjoy.
You are still in my mind. The truth is so hard to find. With all the things that's going on, I lost track. I felt so strong. I got you on my mind, but something's been done wrong. Sometimes I've been thinking of what to make of me and my memories. Sometimes I've been thinking of, dreaming of what it could have been besides memories. 'Cause I still need you.
Alright guys, I hope you like the look. A few thoughts before we go. The palette blended really nicely, good pigmentation. It's a solid palette. I know this retails for $35, and I actually found it recently at TJ Maxx for $10. So girl, keep your eye out if there's one near you. Just saying. I personally don't buy makeup at TJ Maxx just because I find it questionable. People, you know, test things that they shouldn't. But if you need to go that route, go that route. If you see it there and it's not touched, it looks good, it's definitely worth it. I would highly recommend that palette. I love the more cool toned tone that it has. You guys know I'm sick of those warm tone freaking palettes, so it's right up my alley. And again, performed very well. The blush surprised me. I really didn't need too much. When I was swatching it in the unboxing, I was like, probably gonna have to build that up. But no, the pigmentation shows up much better with a brush on your face than your finger on your hand. So just a little note on that. Do like it. I can definitely see a sheen. I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, but it's definitely there. So if you're not into shimmery blushes, this will not be your thing. The lip color, so far so good. It doesn't feel too dry. Let's see. Okay, a little bit. I don't know if you guys will be able, yeah, a little bit of transfer. I'll let you guys know in, I don't know, maybe the end of the month favorites, how that worked out. But I like the shade. I got Mulberry, very pretty. So far, so good. And then the liner. This one, I know Kathleen was like, nope, don't like it. I actually think I could like it. I just need a little bit more practice. I was iffy about even trying it today, but I was like, you know what? Let's go for it. Let's do it. Let's live dangerously. And it's not too bad. I can see a couple minor imperfections, but nothing that you wouldn't be, like, you wouldn't see them if you were just looking at me. You would really have to, like, get in there. So I can live with that. That happens to me with normal eyeliner anyways. But this rollerball, or this little pizza slicer thing, not too bad. It was kind of fun to play with. So I will update you guys on that again later on, but so far so good. If you want to hear my full thoughts on these products, don't forget to watch next month's unboxing, because I always give you guys updates when I unbox that month. I tell you what happened, what was good, what was bad in the previous month, so keep an eye on that video so you can hear my full thoughts on the products after weeks of using it. And that's it. Like I said, I have to get to work, so I'm sorry if this seems rushed, but I do need to get going. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like this look, if you've tried it, if you use these products, what your thoughts are. Anything in the comments down below. I would love to hear from you and have a discussion. So thank you so much for watching again. Don't forget to click subscribe, notification, all that good stuff. Give me a like. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!